Can fleas live in mattress? If you're wondering whether fleas can make themselves at home in your mattress, you're not alone. This is a common concern, especially if you have pets that sleep on your bed. Let's break it down. Fleas are tiny, parasitic insects that thrive in warm, humid environments, and your mattress can indeed provide such a setting. Here's why. Mattresses offer the perfect combination of warmth, darkness, and access to a host, whether that's you or your pet. Where do fleas hide? In your mattress, fleas tend to hide in the seams and crevices, as well as within the mattress material itself. This is particularly true for inner spring mattresses, which have more spaces for fleas to hide compared to foam mattresses. Foam mattresses, especially those made of high-density foam like puffy mattresses, are less likely to harbor fleas due to their dense material. How do fleas get there? Fleas typically get into your bed through your pets. If your dog or cat has fleas and sleeps on your bed, these fleas can easily jump from the pet to the mattress. Once on the mattress, they can lay eggs and hide in the bedding fibers. Signs of fleas in the mattress. To determine if you have fleas in your mattress, look for signs like black-colored debris or bloodstains on your bedding, itchy bites on your lower legs that resemble small red spots surrounded by reddish circles, and you might even see fleas jumping around. Can fleas survive without a host? While fleas prefer to live on their animal hosts, they can survive for a few days to weeks without one. However, they need a host to feed and reproduce effectively. Getting rid of fleas. To get rid of fleas in your mattress, you need to take several steps. Start by vacuuming all sides of the mattress thoroughly, focusing on seams and crevices. Immediately dispose of the vacuum bag or contents outside to prevent reinfestation. Next, use a steam cleaner to kill fleas, larvae, and eggs. Ensure the mattress is completely dry afterward to prevent mold growth. Finally, wash all bedding in hot water and dry it on a hot cycle to kill any remaining fleas. In summary, yes, fleas can live in your mattress, especially if it provides the right conditions. Regular cleaning and preventive measures, such as using flea-proof mattress covers and maintaining pet hygiene, are key to keeping your mattress flea-free.